Hi, this is Julie, J Auto Trading Strategies. I want to take a look at the price oscillator. This is a standard NinjaTrader indicator. I changed the settings to mimic the distance between the last price and the 200 EMA. Then I can capture a threshold of that. As you get outside a certain threshold will trigger in certain behavior of algorithms. So you can get a directional behavior above a certain threshold. If you were to, let's scrunch this together and go back in the chart, see that all of this data is printing under our threshold. So you're not in an extended or hyperextended mode. So you know that you're just normal distribution, okay? So that information for me is extremely important because I use ranges. I want to know where that outside that distribution is going to come in, and then we need to be looking for our higher time frame ranges like the weekly data. So when I get this condition, I know that if I use a weekly PT3, put it on here so that you can visualize what I'm talking about. I need to add more days. Check your data series. To get weekly data, you have to really kick this up 250 or 300 days. There we go. And here are our targets. Look at that. Folks, I'm not making the, I'm not kidding you. You want to know where you are relative to that trend filter at any given time. Whether you're trading inside a normal distribution, then you want to kick that down to a daily target, and that's why I have my daily target. So you can save yourself the time and effort of putting a weekly level on your chart until you start approaching these thresholds. Okay, so let me get the price oscillator back off the chart. Well, you can see the weekly data here. You can see that the price traded inside that range, inside the week, normal distribution, and then popped out above it, hit the first profit target and pulled back on that move Friday. Let me take the range back off and then put the solver back together for you. So you can use this threshold information. I've got two levels, 1 and 1.618, just the Fibonacci. So show you what I have done here. This threshold here is the 1. So you can put a few other solvers together. Show you this in the trade room next week and get your directional trading strategy. You can also turn it around to get a retracement strategy by using that Fibonacci, that 1.618. Which is right there. And then you can extend that out and then put it with your conditions to get that downward move. And again, I'll show you the solvers. We'll put that together, that simple price oscillator, in the trade room next week. But be aware absolutely of where your thresholds are. So scrunch, put the price oscillator on your chart, change it to the 1-200-1, and then go back through and see that normal distribution. Use your RTH daily sessions and Abby normal outside the range, and maybe you can be an algo too, just like the banks and the big boys. Okay, let's see what the retracement looky there. Can't get any better, can I? All right. Y'all have a good week, and we will see you in the trade room. Bye-bye.